So if I were to summarize, look at the Islamic concept of God, who God is. Look at the Islamic concept of the Messenger of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his seerah, what his enemies said about him, and his prophecies, his life events. Then look at the book Quran. That's the only preserved religious text, by the way. There's no other religion that claims that you have the ability to go back to the originals. There's no religion that claims that you have the ability to go back to the originals from God. They may say, oh, it's from such and such person, interpretation or whatever, but you don't have the ability to go back to the originals. So all of that actually makes it super sound. It makes sense to a sound heart. And if it doesn't, the best thing you can do is to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to clean your heart and to give you the gift of guidance.